Small.
Huh?
Gone.
Huh?
Gone.
Oh!
No! They're out there. What's going on, doggies? Don't you hate it when you lose a fish? Wasn't a big one, but we just lost the GT. So we're here in Bali. That's Nusa Penida behind me. I'm here with my boy, Andy. Yeah, brah.
Yeah.
So Andy hit me up last night. He said a couple of big GTs getting caught. They got a 30 kilo one yesterday here. So woke up at 2 AM this morning, 2-hour boat ride to get here. Been here since dark. We've been fishing. Just lost the first one. It wasn't a horse, but I'm super excited. There is this mad current just pushing through here. It's a full moon, big tides today. I'm frothing. Let's get out there. Here's a couple of the boys out here for the GTs. Have they got any yet?
Yeah.
They got one?
No.
Nothing yet, huh? The race is on, huh?
Yeah, good. Good. Okay, enough.
That's a fish. Wow, he smashed that lure on the surface.
Bro, Matt, strike ya. Pakai mainnya di apa tuh?
Oh, yeah. Ah. Wow, he's giving this little saltpeter a workout. That's for sure. Woo! Yeah, brah. Woo! That's what we come here for. Yeah, brah. Yeah. Woo! Woo! That's what we woke up at 2 o'clock this morning for. Still not the big horse, but it's the first fish of the day.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Ooh, so that's what did the damage. How many grams is this one? 40 gram. So Andy actually makes these lures, don't you, mate? So this is a 40 gram stick bait, and what are you using? Is that 150?
Yeah.
And that's a 150 stick bait that he makes here in Bali. Sick lures. And they obviously work. All right, go out there, bro, get one. Yeah. So we've been here for about 2 hours. I lost 2. Finally landed that third one. That was sick. So the boys actually want to keep that fish, so they're going to keep him up. They're going to have a barbecue or whatever they want with him. And whew, it's hot. I'm frothing. Let's get back out there. Ooh, lucky cast. All right, we've got the captain in the back, Andy at the front. Just over the back there, there's this between those 2 rocks there and this rock is just this massive whirlpool of water ripping out. What I want to do, I want to get the drone in there, have a look from downstairs, because from this angle it is absolutely just like psycho. If you fell in here, see you later, you'd be gone. Drone up in the air for like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, and this school of GTs come right next to the boat, just smoking bait fish. The boys were throwing their poppers, they couldn't get them, so I landed that drone as quick as possible, packed it up, and getting out there because those GTs are thick and they were big boys. So fingers crossed we hook into one of them, because that was a big fish. Our captain's gone crazy. He's taking us through the copper white water. They're here! Ah, they were big! Oh my god! Oh, wow, this is hectic! Fuck me, look at it! Good driving! You missed that one, yeah?
So
that was hectic! That water was like smashing, crumbling, far out. What are you doing? I'm sleeping in here. Oh. Yeah, that was a hell session. I'm definitely coming back here again. Thanks for watching, guys. Much love. See you in the next one. Woo!